Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Yeah. So already started. Okay.
Okay.
So hello everyone and welcome to our channel.
Learn, eat,
and explore.
Learn, eat, and explore. Learn, eat, and explore.
Yeah, let's do that again. Learn, eat, and explore.
Learn,
eat, and explore.
No. Learn.
Learn. Oh, okay.
Learn.
We can do this. Okay.
Learn.
Eat
And
explore. Why? Ouch! Ow! Okay, finally we did it. Okay. So, as we were
saying or
talking
doing something.
yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know why we did that. It was Okay, so let's start the video.
We probably wasted like how much time did we waste?
I don't know. 1 minute? Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys.
Okay, so
officially
subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. Ring the notification bell. Subscribe to our channel.
That's what we do at the end. That's what we do at the end.
Oh, right.
Okay, so
I'm really stupid.
it's just
okay. So right now, you're really nice at jokes.
that was a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start the video.
We have already started the video.
Oh, it's already started. Okay.
It's already started.
So let's do the intro thing.
That's the metro station.
Metro station.
We already.
Oh my god, we wasted 2 minutes. I'm so sorry.
We're not wasting it.
Yeah, we did. But we didn't even do the intro yet.
No, that was the intro, I guess. We're different.
Okay. We're different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Subscribe to our channel if you think.
That's what we do at the end. I told you before.
Oh, I am really forgetful. Okay. Don't.
No, you're not professional.
Hey, we're not professional.
Okay.
So we're not professional, right? Okay, so
I am professional.
hey, we're not 100% professional.
I like to say that I'm professional.
I like to say that too, but you know.
Anyway, so like, I guess life in Dubai is good.
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't know what's
what. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing, so just ignore us doing our type of thing that we're doing is like a
but like
weirdish type of.
other than all of that, what we said, the weather was really good that day.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Really liked the clouds.
Yeah, and there were like many birds there at the place where we're going.
It's obviously written in the thumbnail. It will be, and in the title, so like it's not a secret.
Yeah, but let's just say you didn't read the title and the thumbnail, okay? You didn't read it, okay? We'll just imagine that.
Obviously, okay, yeah, I get it.
Yeah, we'll just do it how we do it.
Yeah, it's a secret. You don't know where we're going.
Yeah, we definitely did not read the title and the thumbnail. So the place we're going
It's
is
such a mystery.
Just surprise mystery.
No one knows where we're going. No, we don't either.
Yeah, we're just talking. We're just gonna look at the
Like,
video and we'll see.
Literally, we didn't know where we were going that day.
Yeah.
We just
We actually did not know where we're going. None of us, not even our father was driving.
we were just like going for a long drive. I guess.
Yeah, we were going for a long drive and then we took some food and then we like,
We were
let's just go somewhere.
going
that,
around the world.
Not the world. Like Dubai, and then we're just like, let's just look for a place.
And that's like.
Oh yeah, so. Don't pull, you know it's ticklish. Okay. Don't. Hey, it's a tickle war if you do that.
Okay, I get it.
Okay. I'm just really sensitive to tickles.
Good. No.
Okay, so you might notice that it's.
Oh, it started.
Oh, it started. Oh, we didn't even see. Sorry, we didn't even see.
It is so beautiful.
Beautiful, I say.
Oh yeah,
Awesome, beautiful, pretty, amazing, fantastic, and let's start the video. I'm running.
Let's start the video. We're already like near the end of the video.
Yeah, and we're gonna start near the end. Yeah, that's our thing. That's what we do.
You're a little stupid.
Hey.
See, you were scared at that time. You were
Hey,
scared
don't
of
say that in front of everybody. Hey, don't make fun of me, Virg.
But you were looking nice. You had a lot of fun. That time.
Yeah, it was very fun, but I was like, okay, fine.
Slides were a little small for you.
Yeah, they were like look at that. Those look for a 3-year-old. And we found hopscotch. But the thing was that when I was going up,
Yeah, at that time you couldn't like.
yeah,
Now you stopped.
I just reached 6 and then I stopped because there were like 3 cats in front of me, like sitting in front of the bushes. Like I'm terrified. Okay, I mean I am terrified, but it's just that I like cats, but I'm just a little bit scared of them.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's okay, I guess.
Yeah, they're really cute though. I really like them, but it's just that
I like the kittens, that small babies.
Yeah,
and
they're
like
like new boys. I'm not a kitty. I'm not a kitty.
oh, and the food that we
Oh,
ate.
it was so delicious. I
just
loved the fries, the French
It was a
fries.
cute little picnic we had that day.
Yeah, and we were like we just found this place out of nowhere, and just to tell you, it's Masjid Park because the mystery is revealed. And then at the end, when we were leaving, we found this small girl. She's like 6 or something.
I think she's
Yeah.
like 2.
Yeah, and then I don't know, there was 3, and then I played hopscotch with her, and then my mother showed her how to really play hopscotch. It was kind of fun. That's how you play hopscotch, remember that. And last but not least, subscribe, like, share, comment. And then
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
and ring the notification bell. Until next time.
Stay tuned for more videos and
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
I'm dead and I sit there.
Oh.
Now you're gonna be dead. Let's go.